Hello everyone, welcome to Tahiti Dance Fitness. I am so excited to be dancing with you online. My name is Beatrice. I come from Tahiti, French Polynesia. I'm the founder of Tahiti Dance Fitness, the first traditional dance school in Singapore that has spread worldwide. So, for my adult students, I have prepared several types of classes. One is mainly for all levels, beginners, and anyone who wants to have fun, have a great workout at home, learning Tahitian dance, and have easy to follow classes. And then I have my intermediate to advanced level with more detailed choreography and steps. Everything has step-by-step explanations, and you have lyrics and name of songs included. So enjoy my online classes and thank you so much. Tahitian dance is for everyone. In your online classes, you will find beautiful choreography of dances. One-by-one basic steps, different levels of traditional and fusion dances, step-by-step explanations, lyrics and names of songs included. So come join the fun and all our amazing community of women and kids online. I look forward to dance with you and never forget how awesome you are.